these are literally the struggles I have to go through every fucking day. I'll drive around here for like 5 minutes trying to find a spot to park because it's always like this. It's literally full. Like you have to make your own. That guy's gonna back out. I'm not backing up though, so it's fucking someone else's spot. What the fuck? I think I see a spot. Yes. Up close and personal, baby. Now it's back in. Fucking watch, I'll back in. Hit right into his car. Bam! Crash right into it. I'm gonna drive it too. Christ, this guy's gonna... So that's the video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tried to make it a little bit more subtle this time, just driving and not so much talking. Yeah, if you guys like this kind of video, let me know. Hopefully if it's not raining today. It's supposed to be raining, but if it's not, I'll try to make a video on the way home. It's totally different at night. I gotta use the light bars because it gets so dark and my headlights are garbage too. But yeah, so I'll fucking attempt to, and if not, there's always every other day that I work. And yeah, hopefully the wind noise wasn't too bad. Even if it is, I'm still uploading this video. I don't give a fuck. I didn't go through an hour drive of recording for no reason, I'll tell you that. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to add in this video. Expect a couple more music video uploads, or song uploads, should I say. I've got a couple beats in the production right now that I'm going to upload tomorrow. Oh, today actually, probably tonight. So get uploaded first probably. And then I'm going to upload those. It's a Zangang beat and like a Slime Pseudo kind of beat. So check out my beats. They're trash, but you'll love them. And yeah. I'm going to stop this recording. Rip some ass because that McDonald's is hitting me now, and then I'm gonna go into FedEx. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and talk to you later.